In the era of Industry 4.0, smart automation and digitalization in manufacturing, intelligent solar PV module factories are built for speed, and every second counts. Using one-component silicone sealants for frame sealing and junction box assembly creates a major production bottleneck. These sealants cure via ambient moisture, a slow, surface-driven process. Moisture only penetrates 15 to 17 millimeters, so full cure can take hours or days depending on joint thickness. Factories must dedicate curing lines with controlled temperature and humidity to address this slow cure. Each module must cure for 3 to 4 hours, up to 14,400 seconds of idle time. This increases floor space needs, energy use, and delays. Modern PV modules, larger, heavier, and more complex, demand stronger, faster bonding solutions. Stacking uncured modules adds stress, causing sealant to ooze or cure unevenly, risking long-term durability. In high-speed automated lines, bottlenecks, energy waste, and curing lines are no longer acceptable. That's why leading manufacturers are switching to Sika's two-component silicone sealants. Sika's two-component silicones eliminate curing lines, freeing space, cutting energy use, and accelerating production. With ultra-fast curing, modules move from sealing to packaging in minutes, boosting throughput, scaling automation, and reducing carbon footprint. These sealants cure via a precise chemical reaction, base plus catalyst, delivering a fast, deep, even cure at any depth, unlike surface-limited one-component options. Sika's two-component silicones offer superior durability and flexibility for any frame design, withstanding high stress and extending PV module life. Sika goes beyond materials, providing global expertise and on-site support to optimize production and ensure a smooth transition. Make the switch to Sika's two-component silicone sealants and transform your line. With local support and global strength, Sika drives faster, leaner, and greener solar PV manufacturing. Power smart manufacturing with Sika.